Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install and set up your Kyvno split king bed that you bought off of Amazon. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I bought this Kyvno bed that has an adjustable base, and it comes with two mattresses because it's a split king. And the mattresses literally just come in this box, and it arrived via FedEx for me. But with this mattress, when you get it, you want to make sure that you find the edge that's kind of folded over and it's kind of like taped on. You don't want to take a knife and cut it into it because you might cut the mattress. So just find the edge that's kind of wrapped with the tape and just peel back the tape. And this will inflate in a matter of minutes. So once I have this peeled back, it'll literally just unfold by itself. So we don't want to do too much cutting because it'll do everything for us. So just have to unwind it down and unwrap it. Now let's go ahead and puncture it and rip away this plastic. So I can already hear it inflating in some areas. Boom. With this. So this is actually kind of comfortable. I have one already inflated. It's definitely more of a medium, but it does have some cushion on top. So I have this inflating right now. I just have all the plastic off. Okay, so it is still kind of inflating. Another thing is it's going to come with these like kind of packages that keep moisture away. Just go ahead and locate all these and throw them away. So I already have one base set up right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the other one set up. I have it already unpackaged kind of, and I'm just going to slip out of the plastic, and then I'm going to put it over next to my other base. So here kind of are the instructions. It literally says set up your base, and then in this picture it's showing a different bed. I have the split king, so this one is saying you got to attach it. You got to move the two sections of the bed closer together and make sure the bars and frames are properly aligned at the center. So for the split king, you don't really have that. So the split king instructions are more on the opposite page here, but it's really easy to set up. You just attach all these bases and then make sure the wiring is attached for the motors and then connect it to an outlet. So for the split king, you'll want to go ahead and connect these two bars, and these bars will connect the two beds together. So you'll put these on the two edges that are closer, and then you'll take one of the bases and you'll screw it into that, and you'll connect to the beds that way. It's much easier to show you in person what's going on. Then you got the remote right there, and then you have this bar that will stop the mattress from coming off the edge of the bed. So I'm going to peel away the rest of the plastic here, and then I'll take that frame and I'll just push it to the side and remove the cardboard from my room. Now you can tell which side is the bottom based off of these like metal clamps on them. These will be the mattress frame stoppers where you put this metal piece. I'll show you in a sec here. So on my already assembled one, you can see this metal bar just comes back across the bottom here, and it will stop the mattress. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over and expose everything underneath here. And this is where you'll find the rest of the equipment to set everything up. So I'm just using a scissors to go ahead and cut everything. So right here will be the bed frame bars. And there's two zip ties right here you'll need to go ahead and cut for the power cord and this little connecting device for the two beds. So let's get this out of the way. And then here is, let's just call it the mattress stopper, the little bar that you will connect by your feet. So right here, put this down. Then here is your remote. And this will come out of this package. And I'm just going to set this to the side. And then here is the instructions guide. You get them in both of your packages. Throw that to the side. And then you will have some batteries laying around too. Put these to the side. Alright, so let's cut open these two packages. So this one was already kind of open. And here will be your feet pieces that you will screw on. And there's holes on each of the corners, and then 2 in the middle. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the other box here. And this will just be more feet pieces as well that I'm going to screw on. So this little Velcro piece that comes with it is literally just going to be to connect the bed feet together. So when we connect them and slide the 2 ends of the split king together, we can just go ahead and Velcro these to the feet pieces and make sure the bed doesn't come apart. So in the instructions it says these 2 pieces are the center connection brackets. However, with the split king, I don't see a way to use them or connect the 2 bed frames together. So I'm thinking these are for like a king or just a standard queen frame that you're going to be connecting or using them with. So the best way to do it individually, if you're going to flip them over by yourself, is to open up both the packages. And then right here you can see I have one of the connection kind of metal pieces on my first bed frame. And then you probably want to do it both on the bottom and the top side right here. And then don't connect this bedpost and this bedpost and just flip it over and have it rest on here. And then go under the bed and just screw them on yourself. And there's maybe about a foot gap here, so you could do that. Alright, so I already connected one of the bed frames to the wall outlet. And I'm going to have to get myself a surge protector so I can plug in the other one just because they don't fit together on them. As you can see, it's really big and boxy, so you can't put them side by side because they won't fit. So you're probably going to have to find something like a surge protector to connect both of them. So let's flip my bed frame over here. And this is relatively heavy. I don't know the correct poundage, maybe like 80 to 100 pounds. So if you were to do both these at the same time, it would be very heavy. So let's flip this and rest it down on the other side. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go under the bed, and I'm going to screw on the 2 remaining bed legs. And then I'm going to go to each of the legs, and I'm going to use this Velcro and connect the 2 beds together. Okay, so here is the remote and all the different options. You have head, then you have, I don't know what these are, and then foot, 0G, flat, TV/PC. And I'm thinking these are just settings for like TV, or if you want to go on your computer, you just press this, and it's automatic kind of like setting. So you can see my bed is moving, I just pressed it, and I'm not really sure what it's doing yet, but it's going to that pre-programmed position. So it looks like it's some sort of like a vertical position where it's pretty much all the way up. So let's go ahead and jump on. So this is pretty vertical, I would say, but it would be perfect for going on the computer or anything else. So it may take a while for your mattress to kind of like form to the base. So let's lower the head a little bit so it's not so high up. But I can feel my feet. They're raised up too with that pre-programmed position. But for me, I would probably sleep somewhere around here. So if you do have like acid reflux or something, this bed will definitely be for you guys. And I'd say this is kind of comfortable. We'll have to see after I sleep on it for a week. But I do kind of feel the firmness when I do have the head raised here a little bit. And I can feel on like my lower back right here. And with a pillow, you're going to be raising your head just a little bit like that too. So we'll see how it goes. So far, I would say it's definitely medium firm. It's a little squishy on top, but you do kind of sink in and you feel that firmness a little bit further down. But after like a year or two of sleeping on this, expect it to be less firm over the years. So this is just a quick overview of this bed, and it works right out of the box. It takes about 25-30 minutes to set up if you have 2 people helping you. I'd say a little bit longer if you're by yourself. What really is the most annoying part is taking away all the cardboard, because there is a lot of cardboard and just leftover plastic from the packaging. So this took me about a week to get from FedEx, and I bought it off Amazon for about $1,600 for the Split King mattress set. So we'll see how it goes over the week. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.